You don't need to go to a mechanic to find out what's wrong with your car.
My family has 4 cars and I'm tired of paying those repair bills. Month after month, either my son or my wife's check engine light comes on and it gives me a heart attack. Then it's off to the mechanic only to find out that it's a job I could have done in my own garage. I needed a solution and I needed to stop paying those bills. That's when I found FIXD. FIXD is a health monitor tool for your car. But the most important detail that FIXD will diagnose is that check engine light. It kept me from spending tons on simple jobs that I can do. And it's also a good safety measure. It gives you automatic alerts for any upkeep and maintenance on your car that you might need.
You just plug it into your car, and when that engine light comes on, you can run a diagnostic check and see what the problem is.
I mean, this thing, it's so simple, so elegant, solves a real problem that, we all have.
Even if you can't do it yourself, the app gives you an estimate before you head to the mechanic. Because the easiest part of the FIXD system is the app. It tells me everything I need to know about fixing my car, and it's incredibly user-friendly. All you do is plug FIXD in your car, open your app, and you register. Then you'll get everything you need to monitor the condition and the maintenance for your vehicles. This kind of high-tech solution you've been waiting for. The easiest way to save thousands on car repairs by getting to the problem before getting to the mechanic. Diagnose up to 7,000 check engine light problems with the FIXD. Save thousands like I did, and order now.